Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to link Pokemon TCG Pocket to a Google account. First, go to the BlueStacks App Player application on your PC. Here, reach the Pokemon TCG Pocket game on it. Next, it will start your new game and you can tap on Start. To create a new account, choose your country name and select the month and year of your birth. Then hit the OK button and accept the terms of use and privacy notice after reading them carefully. Here, choose the options for data sharing policies. Now sign in with Google and enter your player name or choose the icon. After that, you can start playing the games and increase your levels. Next, you can explore the game and go to the 3 bars. Then, you will see the settings and account options. Go to the account option and you will see your account connect with Google. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.